guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fisheye vintage effect on Adobe Photoshop. So go to filter and go to lens correction, then go to custom. For this one you're going to do -5, and then for this one -100, this one +100, and then you are going to go to the midpoint and have it 200, and this have it around -15-ish. And then once you're done, you're just going to select OK, and you're going to apply it a lot of times to get that really fish eye effect-ish, like so. Then you're going to add in a texture. You can add in whatever texture you want for your picture. Maybe like a grain or something. This is totally up to you, and you're just going to kind of edit that. And that is how you can create a vintage fisheye effect on Adobe Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!